Hello friends, welcome to this session. And as you know, in previous session we were discussing this growth function, and we have to pass various parameter to this growth function so that we can pass the initial value of population, number of days, and amount of our growth. So let's do this by passing desirable parameters. So how many parameter we need to pass? One for initial population, second for maximum number of days, and third for this amount. So let's do this. So this is initial population, and this initial population is used here to control the value of population. These are the maximum number of days for which I wish to run my for loop. So I have specified this here, days, and this is the amount of my growth. So this is the amount. So instead of 3, I'm using this variable amount. So I'm controlling initial population, days, and amount by passing parameters. So let's suppose I'm calling this function with initial population of 2000, and I wish to find out the population for 6 days, and the amount of growth is, let's suppose, 2. So let's run this code. So you can see that the code output is this. So population after 1 day is 2002. I hope this makes sense to you, because this time the initial population is 2000. So this 2000 goes here, the population become 2000. So after 1 day the population will be 2000 plus 2. 2 is the amount, so this will be 2002. Next time it become 2004, 6, 8, and 10. But we wish to have this for 6 days. So it is not running up to the 6 days. So in order to run this code for 6 days, you know that I need to add 1 into this days values. I hope this makes sense to you, because earlier when we wish to have population for 10 days, we run the counter up to value 11, so that it should run up to 10, and 11 is excluded. So we added 1 into the number of days for which I wish to run my for loop. So here in the same way, I have to add 1 into the number of days for which I wish to run this for loop. So let's run this. So you can see population after 6 days is 2012. So this function is returning this value. So this is the value returned by my function, which is 2012. So I am returning this value after the for loop. So this will return me the final value, which is 2012. So I hope this makes sense to you. And here we have a growth function through which we are passing parameters. So this is all about this session. In next session, we will discuss another problem statement. Thanks for watching this video.